As the market leader in the smoothing category, Keratin Complex continues to find new and innovative ways to deliver beautiful hair every day to all hair types. Each of our customizable keratin treatments, professional hair color, and at-home products are powered with signature keratin to make the hair stronger, smoother, and healthier. Keratin Complex offers a full portfolio of keratin treatments for all hair fabrics. The Signature Series features multi-award-winning treatment NKST that lasts up to 5 months, NKSTB, a reparative treatment that is not just for blondes, and EBO, a speedy service that can lock in color in just 15 minutes. The Advanced Series features KC Max, our strongest smoother that delivers ready-to-wear hair. The Botanical Series is comprised of PBO, a customizable smoothing treatment, KC Smooth, that delivers maximum manageability, and KCTEXTURE curl-enhancing keratin treatment that requires no heat. Keratin Complex is excited to introduce its newest keratin treatment innovation, KCTEXTURE Curl-Enhancing Keratin System. KCTEXTURE is a unique curly keratin treatment designed to enhance and define curly, kinky, and coily hair types while restoring essential moisture to the hair. KCTEXTURE requires no heat and preserves all curl patterns with treatment results lasting up to 3 months. KCTEXTURE is perfect for all curls with natural styling techniques for different curl levels. KCTEXTURE, it's all about the curls. To complete a KCTEXTURE curl-enhancing keratin treatment, you will need clips, towels, gloves, mixing bowl, plastic cap, timer, application brush, fine-tooth comb, and blow dryer with a diffuser attachment. Assess the hair texture, porosity, and condition before starting any Keratin Complex keratin treatment. Step 1. Pre-treatment. Shampoo at least twice with Keratin Complex KC Primer Keratin Pre-Treatment Shampoo. Do not condition or detangle the hair. Thoroughly towel dry the hair once complete. Step 2. Treatment application. Prior to applying the treatment, divide and clip the hair into 6 sections. Shake well, measure, and pour 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of treatment into a bowl. This amount will depend on the length and density of the hair. Gloves should be worn during the application. To begin application, start at the nape and part hair into 1-inch or 2.5 centimeter subsections. Generously apply KCTEXTURE curl-enhancing keratin treatment with an application brush, starting a 1/4 inch or 0.6 centimeters from the scalp through to the ends of the hair. Comb through using a fine-tooth comb to ensure even distribution. During application, encourage curl of each section using one of the Keratin Complex natural styling techniques, depending on natural curl level and desired results. Continue working toward the top of the head and then through each of the remaining sections. Cover the hair loosely with a plastic cap and allow the treatment to absorb for 30 minutes. Remove cap and diffuse hair with low to cool air for 5 minutes using a Keratin Complex Hydro Dry blow dryer. Rinse hair using medium cool water for 5 seconds, concentrating on the scalp. Do not shampoo. Step 3. Mask step. Towel dry and apply KCTEXTURE Intense Hydrating Mask to the hair, concentrating application from mid-lengths to ends. Gently massage and encourage curl. Allow the mask to saturate for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly for 2 to 3 minutes, concentrating on the scalp. Do not shampoo. Apply any curl-enhancing products. Style hair using desired curl-defining or protective styling techniques. The treatment is complete and your client has defined, more manageable curls. Keratin Complex offers 4 different natural styling techniques for use during and/or after the KCTEXTURE keratin treatment. These techniques can be used to enhance natural curl levels 2A through 4C and any wavy, curly, or coily hair types. Scrunching technique. Use hands to diffuse or scrunch hair and encourage desired curl pattern. Finger wrap technique. Wrap individual curls around finger in the direction of natural texture. Shingling technique. Use fingers to lightly separate and ribbon each curl from scalp to ends to smooth and define. Twist out technique. Split a small subsection into 2 and fold hair over at the base. Continue to twist both sections of the hair from base to ends. Twirl ends to lock each twist. For more curl pattern information, see the curl level chart available at www.keratincomplex.com/resources. Keratin Complex products will help maintain the longevity of the treatment. Use the KCTEXTURE Intense Hydrating Mask up to 2 times per week to help hydrate and support treatment results. Maintain your treatment results with our Keratin Enhanced After collection, including the KCTEXTURE Intense Hydrating Mask and KCTEXTURE Leave-In Conditioner. KCTEXTURE is compatible with professional hair color. When depositing or refreshing color, complete the KCTEXTURE treatment through the mask step. Apply your standard color formula immediately upon the final rinse of the Intense Hydrating Mask. Process color according to the manufacturer directions. Once complete, shampoo and then condition the hair with KCTEXTURE Intense Hydrating Mask. Rinse and then style as desired. If you're lightening the hair, perform the application prior to the treatment. If lightened hair needs to be toned, lighten the hair prior to the treatment and apply toner after the mask rinse step is completed. Maintain the results of the Keratin Complex smoothing treatment with our collection of Keratin Enhanced Aftercare products. Don't forget to visit our comprehensive resource center at keratincomplex.com/resources and download business building tools, including education support, social media JPEGs, and so much more.